2024 election is officially certified here in the Silver State. Today, the Nevada Secretary of State went to Carson City to canvass and confirm the results. This is part of a long process that leads to the Electoral College confirming the results December 17th. The Nevada Supreme Court joined Secretary of State Cisco Aguilar in certifying the state's results. We have a full list of election results up on our website at fox5vegas.com. Governor Joe Lombardo has released a statement following the Nevada Supreme Court certifying the general election today. In the statement, the governor calls for reforms to our election system, saying, in part, the time it takes to count ballots and finalize our elections in Nevada is simply unacceptable. Nevadans deserve timely election results, and all ballots should be received by Election Day. Governor Lombardo also says this issue should be immediately addressed in the next legislative session.